Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, please feel free to take it. It's going to be a long wait for our flight, isn't it? Yes, it seems like there's a delay. I hope it's not too long. Me too. Where are you headed? I'm going to New York for a business meeting. How about you? I'm visiting family in Los Angeles. It's been a while since I last saw them, so I'm really looking forward to it. That sounds lovely. Family time is always special. By the way, I couldn't help but notice your book. What are you reading? It's a historical fiction novel. I enjoy getting lost in different time periods. What about you? Any interesting books or movies for the journey? Actually, I have a couple of books with me, and I've downloaded a few movies on my tablet. I like having options to keep myself entertained during flights. That's a good idea. It's always nice to have something to distract yourself with. Speaking of which, do you have any travel tips for making long flights more comfortable? Definitely. I always bring a neck pillow and some noise-cancelling headphones. They really help with getting some rest. And staying hydrated is important too. Thanks for the advice. I'll make sure to remember that for my next trip. It's great to meet someone friendly to chat with while waiting. It makes the time go by faster. I couldn't agree more. It's nice to have a conversation and share experiences. Who knows, we might even end up on the same flight and continue the conversation on board. That would be a pleasant coincidence. Well, here's hoping for a smooth journey for both of us. Safe travels. Thank you. Same to you. Enjoy your time with your family in Los Angeles. Take care.